All right, I get the KAMRUI AK1 Pro Mini PC. Look at this thing. Look how small this is. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. This comes in a couple different shapes and sizes. I got the 8 gig with 256 gigabytes of storage on here. Let's just measure this out real quick so you can see how small it is. I got 5 inches by 5 inches, 2 inches. Pretty cool. I could mount this thing up under the desk if I wanted to. All kinds of stuff I could do with this. Let me show you what you get with this. So they give you an HDMI cord with this because it has dual 2 up to 4K HDMI outputs on here. So mounting hardware. You can mount to the back of your TV or monitor. There's some screws. And when you do that, this thing will hang on there. You can hang it on the back of there with this mounting bracket. Power cable itself, it's about 5 foot long. And it is a 2.5 amp power cable. Like when you plug this thing in, it actually turns blue. It lights up blue, so it lets you know it's on. It looks kind of cool. Plug in. I'm hoping that speaker out too. We have a LAN input that'll do 1,000 megabytes per second. We have the 2 HDMI up to 4K outputs. We have a USB 2.0 and we have the power plug in. On the side here, we have one USB 2.0 and 2 more USB 3.0s. I'm thinking that I'm going to get one of those USB 3.0 dongles and plug that into here, and that'll give me like an SD card reader and all that stuff. So something like this with 8 gig of RAM, 256 gig of storage on here is probably perfect for me. I'm not playing video games anymore at this point in my life online. This is probably great for everyday use for me. I'm gonna do some video editing with it. I'll do some picture editing, sell sheets, sell my email, everything that I need to do on a daily basis. This is gonna be perfect for me. And another cool thing I like about this is it actually has extra storage on here. So what I've done is I bought a Seagate 2.5 inch SSD HDD card, or HHD, whatever you kids call it, and you can actually pull this cover off the back, 2 screws, and plug it in right there. So I've got this 2.5 inch 2 terabyte storage card. So it'll support up to 2 terabytes. So as soon as that arrives, I'm plugging that guy in. Now I've got a computer with a 2 terabyte hard drive. Another thing with this is, like I said before, it's about 2 inches long, but it's got 2 unlock buttons on the back. If you wanted to, you can remove the extra storage space on here, and it makes it even more smaller and more compact. And you've still got the mounting holes on the back of there. So, I mean, if you wanted to, you could double-sided tape this thing up underneath of a desk or something if you wanted to, really. It's just so many options. You know, it's vented on here for cooling. Also, the LAN hookup isn't the only thing you got. This supports 2.4 gig and 5 gigahertz wireless connections too, and you can hook it up to Bluetooth. So this comes with Windows 11 Pro 64-bit. So obviously you're gonna have to, you know, when you plug this in, you're gonna have to go through your typical Windows setup when you get a new computer, but no big deal. We've all done that before. I'm not sure how far it can go up as far as RAM's concerned, but I know it comes with 8 gigs, which is enough for me. Pretty cool blue looking color. I like it. All right, going through the setup, and it's all set up. See the Jasper Lake on there? Pretty fast for my needs, exactly what I need. Here's what I wanted to show you. I went and got a Seagate backup drive, 2 terabyte backup drive, and installed it, you know, into that bottom compartment on here. So now I have actually a 2 terabyte computer. Awesome, love it, working good. So if you're looking for a smaller footprint for your PC, get some more room on your desk or wherever, it's gonna be great for the home, the office, anywhere really. You can throw this thing in a suitcase and travel with it, or in a little bag. If you need to take this with you on the road, plug it into a TV at a hotel, I would do that for sure. I mean, it's so small. Check out this 5 inch by 5 inch by 2 inch mini PC by KAMRUI. Check it out.